what's going on, girls?
Today we're gonna open some mystery surprises.
Yeah.
All right, now I told you guys, right, that I had a surprise for you guys.
What is a surprise?
I know.
It is a surprise.
I know, because Paris, his birthday just went by. Happy birthday, Paris. And you girls have been such good girls that I said, I gotta surprise the girls with a little...
Santa sent a mom's cow.
What do you think the gift is gonna be? What do you think the surprise is gonna be?
I don't know. It's a mystery.
I think it's a mystery egg.
I think it's Ryan's mystery playdate egg.
I think it's a treasure chest. Ryan's mystery treasure chest.
Well, I have to say, it's not what you guys mentioned. So, alright, I've been telling you guys for 2 days that I have a surprise for you guys. So, let me get the surprise, alright? Hold on. Hold on a second. Hold on a second, girls. Oh, yeah. Gonna open this up. And get the surprises here. Alright, girls, sit the way I had you guys, because here comes the surprises. Alright. You ready? Alright, guys. Close your eyes. Don't open them. Don't open them. Don't open them yet. Don't open them yet. Don't open them yet. Alright, on 1, 2, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Yay. What is it?
5 surprise.
What is it, Paris?
5 surprise.
It's a 5 surprise.
Well, what is it? Can you read what it says?
Many shopping brands that fits in your hand.
It's called mini brands. Do you guys know what mini brands are?
No.
No? Uh-oh.
Open it.
All right. Go ahead, Paris first. Open up your mini brands. Wow.
How do I open this?
You have to press the button. Press the button.
Open it up, honey.
Papa, I need help.
You need help, honey? Oh, well, take that off. You got that one right. There you go, honey. Keep...
Thank you, Papa.
All right.
I got a little-
What do you guys think it is?
I don't know. Must be a toy.
Or something.
Oh, I got it opened up.
Oh, dun 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 dun.
What is
dun,
this?
dun, dun. Penny, look, look, look.
They're cupcakes.
Oh, what is it, honey?
They're mini cupcakes.
Let me see. Hold it up so we can see. Hold it up to the
They're
camera.
tiny cupcakes.
Tiny little cupcakes. Look at that. Wow. Okay. What else you got, honey?
Oh,
Look
sick.
at that. That's so cool.
Peanut butter.
So this is all little
Foods.
foods that we can use with our dolls, and we can collect all the little foods. So far we have peanut butter.
Now we have black label.
Let me see.
Bacon.
Hold it up so we can see it. Wow. Okay, line it up there, honey. All right, let's see what else you got.
I got one
I'll help you, Benny.
more.
I got it.
You got it? Get the plastic off first. You gotta get the plastic, honey.
I got it.
No, you gotta take this plastic off.
What is this?
I don't know. You tell me.
I got 3 foods and I got a shopping cart.
A shopping cart? Oh, cool.
I don't know how am I gonna build that, but I'm just gonna leave it there.
All right, I'll build it for you.
Yeah, this is a list.
Let's start with my next surprise.
Well, let's see what Penny's got. Hold on, baby. You can start peeling it off, Paris, but let's see what Nina got.
Honey, where's yours?
Papa has.
All right, honey, go ahead. Take the plastic off. Go ahead, baby. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, Penny. What do you got, Penny?
Okay, let me open this one.
Ding, ding, ding. 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 There you go.
She got.
What is it, honey?
It's butter.
Butter.
It's tiny little butter, honey. Look at that. Oh,
I
my
can use it
goodness.
for my.
That is so cute.
Look at the butter. We got butter. What else you got, Penny? Paris, look.
Wait, it glows in the dark.
No.
No, let me see what it is.
What is it, honey?
It's It's fragrance.
Oh.
Oh, it's to spray on.
Oh, it's Axe body spray.
It's body spray.
It's Axe body spray. It's tiny little body spray.
That's it.
What else you got, Nina?
Now I got it.
No, don't put your mouth on it, honey. Don't put your mouth on it.
I got 5 surprise again.
There you go. Open it up, honey. I open this one too. What do you got, Penny? Iris, look.
Donuts.
Let me hold it up so we can see it. Hold it up.
Donuts.
Hold it up.
No.
You got
Mini
Hostess donuts. All right, put them there. Good job.
That is so cool. How do I open this? Can you help me, Dad?
Yeah, honey. All you have to do is just pull. Look.
She got Dum Dum lollipops.
Wow. Hold it up so we can see it. Wow, that's little lollipops. All right, put it here, honey.
I got bacon sprinkles.
Can we see it? Wow. Okay. Line them up.
Now
The
another.
food list is growing. It's growing. All
I
right.
got. What is this? Ice cream, I think.
Hold it up, honey. Let me see. What does it say? It says Magnum White. I think that's let's see. That is Magnum White.
Help me,
Is
Poppy.
white chocolate.
Oh.
All right, honey. I'll help you.
It's another shopping cart.
Wow. So we have to build that up too.
That can be for me.
Right.
The
right.
last. This is anti-wrinkle cream.
Take that off, honey. Take that off.
Food.
What'd you get? Show it up. Let me see it.
It's cream.
Well, oh, it's Pond's. It's mini cream. All right, put it down.
My last surprise.
Here, honey. Honey, go ahead.
It's hard.
I got mini airheads, and there's
Min-
something squishy in here.
Wow, it's like airheads.
Their airheads bites.
Wow, put them there.
Poppy, I'm
So
trying
much
to
food.
open.
All right, I'll help you, honey.
Next surprise for me. Oh, I have one in my hand.
All right. Ding, ding, ding. Mini brands. Mini brands. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, you got it, honey?
I'm taking off my plastic.
Whoa, one plus.
All right, let me start it.
I popped it.
You popped it? What do you got? Hold it.
Soy sauce.
Some soy sauce?
Poppy, it glows in the dark. A shopping cart. I got a shopping cart.
We got another shopping cart. All
I
right,
don't
put
know
it
how
there.
to build it.
I'll build it for you guys. What do you got, honey?
I think I got soy sauce.
Yeah, that is.
Hold it up so we can see it when you get it out of the plastic. Get it out of the plastic first.
It's caramel sauce.
Let me see.
It's caramel sauce.
Hold it. Oh, good job. Put it.
That attaches to the back and you can rip. I got the same thing.
What do you got? What is that? Oh, okay. So, all right. Put it there.
I got body spray.
What else, honey? You working on it? Let me get that open for you.
Ding ding.
Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding.
I got rice sides. I got rice.
Oh, you got little rice from Nor.
Yummy.
Okay.
I like rice. Nice.
There you go, Penny. There you go. Keep opening, honey. Set it up.
Coffee, I think.
It's double raspberry. I think this is like some chocolate. Another shopping cart? Awesome. We gotta build those.
We got so much food. Mini
Oh
food.
my goodness, look at all this mini food.
Look what I got.
What is it, honey?
It's the same thing.
So it's like bacon.
Bacon
It's
strips.
Real bacon.
Whoa.
What is it, honey? Oh, Vaseline.
Yeah, Vaseline.
It's
That-
little Vaseline. Yeah.
That is cute.
That is cool.
That is cute. All these foods are so cute.
Another oranges.
Oh, you got another Mentos orange.
You know what? There might be in there real food. There might.
It's not real food, honey. It's pretend.
Let's start with this one.
Ding, ding, ding.
I got. What is this?
What is that, honey? I think that mayo.
Mayonnaise.
That's mayo. Okay, little mayonnaise. All right, put it down.
That's cute.
Cool. Look at all the foods are starting to pile up now.
For soap.
More soapy soap. Soap is good, honey, because we have to take a bath.
Of
Penny, you need
course.
help with that?
Oh, this is.
Is that chapstick?
That's super sour spray candy.
Oh, so that's like a crybaby. Okay. Go ahead, Penny. What else you got, honey? Is that the last thing?
I got 2 more.
Oh, you got 2 more surprises? Oh, is
I
that
got the
chocolate
same
again?
thing. Yeah, chocolate.
Okay.
And more food. I got more Vaseline.
Vaseline.
Puppy, look it.
You got rice. Nor some rice. All right.
This is pink Vaseline. I got.
Wow, you guys look at that. You guys got a whole market basket of food going on over here.
I got another one.
Let me see, honey. Hold it up. Oh, you guys didn't have that
She got
one.
strawberry syrup.
Okay. All right. Put it on the list. What else
What's
you got?
in here? There's something squishy.
Whoa, there, honey. That's pretend. That's pretend Mentos.
Another shopping cart.
All right, another shopping cart.
I didn't. Oh, I have 2 more. I didn't get a shopping cart. All I got was food.
I'm gonna put those together, the shopping cart, in a second. Let's see what else Penny got.
You want me to help you with this?
No.
Oh, Penny, what do you got, honey?
What is it?
Penny.
She got. What is
Oh,
it?
Penny, what is it, Penny?
It's
Penny.
dry spray for men.
Oh, okay.
Good job.
All right, put it in the list. What else? Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Might get another shopping cart. Penny, over here. Penny, there's a place over here. Over here. Open it. Open it. Ew! Don't open it with your mouth. Ew.
What do you got, honey?
Over there. Go like this. Like this. Penny. Like this.
Let her help you real quick, honey. What is it, honey? Oh, we don't have that one. What is it?
It's Hormel. It's chili.
Can I see it?
Chili.
Awesome. All right, put it down, girl.
Puppy, look at the list.
I know. Is that it right there?
Yeah, that's the whole list.
All right, let's put the shopping cart together, okay? You guys put it on a little basket?
Yeah.
It's a mini little basket. Penny, you did too?
Yeah, Puppy, can I have a shopping cart?
Guess what? It took me 18 hours. It took me 18 hours to do. What? Are you gonna break it? Oh, wow. You're gonna get filled quick.
No, Chris, this is not good.
Okay. Okay, let's put some.
Wow, look at that. Oh, we got another shopping cart. All right, girls, come on. You gotta fill as much stuff as you can on your shopping cart without breaking it. That's it, honey. You can't do too much or it'll break.
There's
Alright.
I can put the Mentos.
The other stuff, it goes in a basket.
I need a Mentos. Can somebody give me a? Oh, this Hairheads can fit. Cause Squeezely.
All right, don't pack them too much or you'll break your cart. Okay? Penny, I think you got one more
Look,
thing, honey, maybe that you can
let's-
fit. Come on.
Let's put more food in our basket.
Yeah, put the rest of the food that you can't fit on your basket. So put your carts here.
I need
Right
some
there?
super sour heads. I need some
Put your carts right
bacon,
there.
and I need some syrup.
I need some lollipops.
All right, put them in your basket.
I need
Paris.
something
You got
thin.
your basket too?
I need
this. I need this.
I need this.
Is this fun?
Yeah,
All right. I thought you guys were gonna love this.
and I need some dum dum.
Penny's done. What do you got, Paris? Good job, honey. Good job, honey. Wow. Hold yours up too, Penny. Let me see it.
Go shopping, going shopping, going shopping, going shopping, going.
Good job, girls. Good job. Well, I think you guys are gonna be playing the whole afternoon with these. So,
Thank you for watching our video. For more, subscribe and click the bell button
that's
below.
right.
Bye.
And how do the people find you? What's your name? What's this show called?
Paris and Penny's Fun Adventure.
That's right. All right, girls. Fantastic. I'm glad you guys loved the gift. All
And
right.
make sure you don't take our food.
We'll
Yeah, because we love one.
see.